Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix pronunciation challenges with Rosetta Stone easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Rosetta Stone and sign in to your account. Select the language you want to practice. Navigate to the speaking exercises section. Begin with the pronunciation practice. Choose a specific lesson that focuses on speaking. Listen carefully to the pronunciation of each word or phrase. Repeat the phrase aloud after hearing it. Use the playback feature to compare your pronunciation. Pay attention to the feedback provided. Take note of areas where improvement is suggested. Practice consistently to refine your skills over time. Experiment with different speaking exercises. Utilize the voice recognition feature effectively. Record yourself to track your progress. Engage with additional multimedia resources available in Rosetta Stone. Join language forums or discussion groups for extra practice. Keep a daily journal of your pronunciation challenges and successes. Stay patient and committed to your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.